So what we did, we went up on the roof, poured water down, and we see where our problem is. Alright, so definitely we're gonna have to pull some stuff down in order to get to the root of the problem, but definitely we are on to where everything is happening at. Alright, so we'll have this taken care of soon once we locate exactly where the water is coming from. We know the vicinity, but we gotta get it right where it's at. Alright, stay tuned. Okay, so we found the spot where the water is entering and is traveling down from that opening right there and traveling down and dropping into the wall. So we're gonna take care of that, and that should take care of our problem. Alright, be back soon with you. Yes, thank you. Stay tuned.